Welcome to Richard's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Yes, today's Tuesday, and here we have a Charger cop car. Yeah, U-turn chassis. Yes, sir. This is a really cool cop car. Yeah, there's the fuel. Yeah, 911. Yeah, this car is just badass. And yeah, it doesn't have a guide pin in the back. I will put one on there before we put it on the track over there and take it for a few hot laps and run it forward and reverse. And yeah, bring it around here and we'll check the bad boy out. Oh yeah. .43 on the front. They all have .43 on the front bumper. Yes, so yeah, pretty cool car. And we'll get going on it. Put her on a dyno. It's not registering. Wow, these are old tires here. Let's put some new ones on. Wow, these things are hard. Compound C. And we'll put some nice new ones on. Okay, let's see if we can get this to yeah, not really gonna go. No, it's going, but it's not really going. We'll have to take her over to the track, see if she does better over there. Yeah. But yeah, we'll clean off these pickup shoes and yeah, not too bad. Let's put a little oil on it. Yeah, we can put all the oil on it from right here. It's got a metal bearing up here, so we'll put some down here on the bottom. There we go. Oh wow. Put a little Novus on his body. pretty cool. I'm going to put you guys on pause and we'll take her over to the truck and we'll test her out. This thing goes forward and reverse. So the best way to test on this is just take her for a ride. And we're going to do that. Put you on pause again. Now that I got the rear guide pin put in, see if it goes that way. No, it does not go. It only goes one way. But it does go backwards. It's supposed to switch and go the other fucking way, I think. At least U-turn do. I don't know. Yeah, it won't go through that turn. It does real slow, okay. Not much of a cop car, but gotta go slow through a turn. It's gotta go slow through a turn. This is not a U-turn, this is a US-1. And I've never had a US-1 set. I'm not too sure about them. I know they make some really awesome cars and trucks, and I have most of them. Got something in my eye. Well, there it is, folks. Dodge Charger cop car. By Tyco, of course. It's a really nice looking charger. I mean, it really is. I just had to super glue this here back on. It actually had a bottom to it that looked like somebody melted it. And it was real thin and it broke off. And the windshield wasn't in correctly. and I saw something red laying under it, and it was the bottom of the red light. Broke off, but it still had the shaft on it, so I put a little super glue on and stuck it down in, and it's good to go. You could get these red lights if you don't have them. You can get them from Slot Car Central. I bought 2 pair there before. I don't know if he still has them or not. You'll have to check with him and see if he still has them. Yeah. I don't know if I have any extras or not. Another driver's head. Wings for a chaparral. I got just about everything in here. I don't have any of those. I don't see them anymore. So yeah. But yeah, if you need them, just check with Slot Car Central. Pair of like $1.50, whatever they are. But yeah, this is a really cool car. It does not go that well. I don't know why it doesn't go backwards in the same way. I guess a flipper. I'm not sure. I would say probably something wrong with it. I don't know. But it runs. It's a shelf queen. At least it was before I just dropped it in my hand. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car. And I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified. If you're not subscribed, I don't know why you're not. It's free. It's free. Free. F-R-E-E, free. Yeah. Well, that's about it for today. Another Tyco Tuesday in the book. Yeah. Guess that's all I really gotta say. I'll be live Friday night doing a pit kit. I might do. I have 2 Dodge Chargers 22 funny car bodies, the real long ones. They're on a 4-gear. I have 2 of those. I'm probably gonna build one of those this Friday night. I can be talked into something else. Firebird, VW, a van. I have 2 vans. I could do a van. Yeah, Joey Chappelle sent me these. Yeah, I got some vans in here. Here's a van. Yep, we got a van. 2 Corvettes, another van, and one of these step sides. This is a 41 wheelie step side. I have one of these. Yeah, and like I said, I got 2 of the Corvettes. And I got a 68 Pontiac Firebird, 2 of those Chargers. Yeah, got a bunch of them. So, yeah. So, yeah. We'll be building the pit kit this weekend, this Friday night. And that's about all I got for you right now. Can't think of nothing else. Yeah. Appreciate you guys all coming in. Give me a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. If you leave a comment, I appreciate it. I love comments. I answer every one of them. Every single one. I've been doing this for 2 years, and not one comment have I ever not replied to. So, yeah. 7 words or more. If you have 6 words and exclamation point at the end, it don't count. They don't even count it. So, yeah. And that's the best way. The best way is to subscribe, number 1. Number 2, watch the whole video. Number 3, leave a comment. 7 words or more. Appreciate you guys coming in. We got this at 15 minutes. That sounds good. And I'll be back Friday with a really cool car. Another car. A really cool one this time. Later, everyone.